exfoliate my skin with me. All you have to do is to massage this cleanser sa skin mo, guys, for 30 to 60 seconds. Depende sa yan. Para talaga ma-deposit yung mga actives na nasa cleanser na ito. And then, rinse it off with water. Nakita nyo, guys, yung glow na nabigay ng Fairy Skin Premium Brightening Facial Foam? I mean, nakakangiti ako, hindi banat yung skin ko, and hydrated siya. Oh my God, diba? Ang ganda. This is a pH-balanced facial foam, guys, na pinagsama-sama nila yung brightening ingredients, exfoliating ingredients, and hydrating ingredients in one cleanser. Pinakamaganda sa lahat, guys, you can use this if you are teenager and allergic kayo dun sa mga exfoliating serums, toners, and gusto mo lang talaga ng gentle exfoliation, you can use this cleanser. Basta, guys, i-massage mo lang siya for 60 seconds, and kung gusto mo pa, kung kaya ng skin mo, katulad ko, guys,